So if you're a creative freelancer, professional athlete, social media influencer, small business owner, large business owner, I'm really making this series of videos with you in mind.
You're here, I'm here.
Because I believe sharing my business strategy and production process will better equip you to tackle your own personal brand's creative needs.
Let's do this!
You know what? You come up here for a second.
This is Chris Martinez.
Who the fuck is that guy?
And odds are you have no clue who he is.
My name is Chris Martinez, and for the last 15 years, I've been working as a creative professional freelancer in movies, television, sports, music videos, even creating same-day wedding films.
Good luck. Keep punching. You're going to kill it. Kick some ass.
Go out there and handle your business.
Hit that subscribe button too. We love you.
But when I started, it was just me and my camera. I had no connections, no experience, and really no clue on how to even start chasing my dreams.
You've been going about this all wrong. I blame myself.
But what I know I did have were people in my life who believed in me, my passion, and my skills, who helped me along my way.
Hey, that's Kevin Smith, Silent Bob from all those terrible Jane Silent Bob type pictures, man. Check out Chris is Real. It is far more visually interesting than any movie I ever made.
Yeah, my friend Chris Martinez, we produced it, and it was just like, wow, this guy does some really good work. I pulled him aside, and he's like, you got a knack for this. I go, let me hire you.
Talking with Chris, and I was like, man, dude, what possessed you to think of something like this? And production value is very high. Congratulations on a badass, good-looking show with cool content.
So now, I'm looking back at my past projects to revisit the lessons they taught me. And hopefully, my behind-the-scenes stories could provide value to you along your own creative journey. Whether you're at the DIY stage in your journey or you're ready to hire professionals like me, let me know in the comments below what your dreams are and if there's any way I could help. And of course, please don't forget to smash that like, share, and subscribe button. It helps me out a lot. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.
And that's the bottom line, because we said so.
My name is Chris Martinez, and this is Super Happy.